Yo, me and my friends played Ultimate Chicken Horse for a little while. I got a bunch of funny clips and stuff like that. It was late at night. This is like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm super tired. I have my face cam on in the top right, top left for you guys. And dude, I would make stupid faces because I was so concentrated on the game. You know, the video's fun. Had a good time. Ignore the humor, the jokes, the laughing. Just get along with it.
Oh, the spike was there. I didn't even think of that. Terrence Scotch.
After all, black. Josh doesn't get a clear defining window.
A win is a
we get
win.
nuke.
I don't. Oh.
Yes, I got the nuke, and you know what I'm doing with the
No, you're
boys?
gonna do nothing with it.
I'm okay with that. I'm very okay with that. One.
My goal is just to screw Josh over.
Where? Oh, I thought I had it. I almost just ate it for that.
Oh, it soaks up the rest of mine.
Why did you get that?
Oh, I got suspenders. For the chicken.
We're not getting out of this. This is literally not possible.
No, I didn't. I unducked too quick.
No, it's literally not possible. Oh, what?
Oh, wait, Sergio made it.
It's okay, he doesn't win these.
I'm a gamer. Hold on.
Oh, shoot. Don't win these.
With them.
I'm gaming. I'm gaming. I don't know how at all how I got through there,
Oh,
but I'm
Sergio,
gaming.
you're so close to winning.
That stupid rocket.
Oh, this is winnable. Oh, frick, I was on there. Stop going for the rocket.
Marcus, how did you
You're
do
just
I've
scared
been
of
lying.
actually playing the game. You're actually so
Stay
scared
bad.
of playing
Stay
the game.
bad. Stay bad.
You're just bad.
No, I'm better.
Not you, I was talking about
Okay,
Sergio,
good.
not Josh. Oh, I almost made it through, actually.
Oh, I gotta be closer.
You got it, Terrence. You dumb man.
Why is Terrence always the last one to die?
He just waits.
Because he's scared.
Facts.
You got it, Terrence. I believe.
I know.
Achievement unlocked animal cruelty.
That's how I beat.
Fuck it. You
I'm a
guys-
dead one. Had to give you guys a chance.
Oh my! That's exactly what Marcus did.
No, yeah, that's exactly what I did.
I think this game should have collision like golf with your friends.
Josh, why are you going for the frickin' rocket?
Issue.
How did you do that, Terrence?
I don't know.
No! It was the easiest win of my life.
I love
Just
the
kidding,
rag
sometimes.
though. With the
I've confirmed
jetpack
this jump is doable, so.
A jump is not possible.
It is.
Oh wait, never mind. There's a spring there.
It's
It's not possible.
That was Terrence's spring too.
no, it's not. That wasn't my spring. I didn't place that with Sergio. We can't get a spawn.
No!
Alright. Well, that didn't go right.
The Peter Griffin.
Yeah. No! You get too fast every time.
Can I even get past this? Oh, I
There you
can.
can. Easy dub for you, Sergio. Easy dub.
Oh,
Oh,
that
I
flower.
was so badly hoping to get punched out.
No!
I was gonna say, just
I okay with the Sergio.
I don't. If you put that there, I don't think we can play.
We can. I'm very confident we can figure it out.
Okay, Marcus.
How did you set the trap off? Why?
I don't. No, I don't think this is winnable.
This is very winnable. This is
Rick
very
shot,
winnable.
dude, perfect. No, I don't. I jumped at the wrong spot.
Oh, prick you.
Big up, Sergio. Just to show it to him. do it again. Do it again. Points. You should live in the points.
I'm grabbing the friggin' rocket. They're so free.
What can I say? I want rockets. And that's why I like them, because they are free.
I can just doing that stupid voice of like the Obama, like I want a point.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I do.
I don't know how I'm supposed to win this.
Oh, whoops.
I'm just getting riffled with arrows. Sergio. Why is it still here?
Oh, you placed the cannon for me.
Sergio, how did you die?
Shut up. Shut up. I don't want to hear it.
No matter what.
I got Josh's worst enemy.
I know, I did too.
Oh, shut up.
Launching him straight into the traps. Oh, Josh got our worst enemy. The fun
Freedom.
destroyer.
Fun destroyer.
Freedom. The fun destroyer. Oh, these punching hands.
Frick.
Oh, I'm actually stuck on this. Oh! I won. I'm such a gamer.
Darren, just go try to screw Josh over.
That's literally not how this works. Oh no, I had that.
Josh is worse than I am.
No, 3 times.
Bruh.
Cannon was the
Bruh.
That was the freaking evilest play.
Sergio wins. That's a win for both of
still
us.
got 0.
You got no points,
I
Josh. Marcus,
single-handedly
you have 0 points. It's not a win for you at all.
No, this is a
There's
big.
no.
No, I wanted hay bales.
Frame one, that black hole.
That's like this.
That beat Sergio.
No, vote kick.
There was no defining winner in that one, so.
Right, that's what that says there. You're the
I think
ultimate
we- I
no
think we
defining
got it.
winner.
No, hey, listen. Just in the way that Argentina won in shootouts, that's not a true victory, you know what I'm saying?
That means
There's a new
nothing to
level.
me.
Let's try the new level.
Get the mystery
No,
boxes first.
So
and then we
last
can-
time I got like all of them, I
move on.
gamed on you guys.
You wish you were gaming like I am.
Okay, buddy.
Love
Val and then Fortnite Lord.
Fortnite.